Hey guys, this is how to fix Instagram ads problem. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store. And after that, just simply go for the search at the bottom and just simply search for Instagram. So for the first solution is just make sure you are running the latest version of the Instagram. And when there is an update available, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And when you go to the top right corner, which is the three dots, make sure to enable the auto update as well and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another option is just simply go to your profile at the bottom right and just simply go to the three lines to the top right corner. From here, just simply use the search bar at the top and search for Pro. And now from here, you should be able to see switch to professional account. And from here, just simply tap on next. And from here, just simply switch to your professional account and just simply follow the steps in order for you to proceed. And guys, this should fix the issue. Now, another one is just make sure you are an admin of the connected Facebook page link to your Instagram and you should be able to fix it. And if it still doesn't, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the three dots on the top right again. And after that, just simply scroll down. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for the help over here. And just simply go for the report a problem. And just simply tap on report problem without shaking. And from here, just simply tap on include and continue. And from here, just simply describe your issue and you can upload a picture on what is the issue. And from there, Instagram support will reach back to you on how to troubleshoot the issue. And there you go. See ya.